Congratulations, we've made it this far, and welcome to the last Math Swag of the year. Reflection time. In Google Classroom, please view the responses from last swag by clicking on the Responses link. Which were your favorites? Which ones could really help? Please push pause and add your thoughts in the class comments section below. Now it's time to reflect on what went well for you over the last 6 weeks. Click on the What Went Well link in Google Classroom and add your thoughts.
Hello, Irving ISD math teachers. It's Tasha Hofert, your elementary math coordinator. First, I'd like to thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to participate in our virtual swag session. Let's talk a bit about the concrete pictorial abstract progression. Concepts need to be introduced through hands-on experiences with manipulatives. This is very important as you plan your daily math block. As you are choosing learning activities for any part of your math block, choose concrete task first. Then, when your students are ready, move them on to the pictorial phase. It's important for our students to know that a pictorial model helps us to make a mental image of the concrete that we've been using. With this progression, students should have enough context to understand an abstract task. So if your students are struggling with an abstract task, that tells you that you need to take them back through the progress. Thank you. Here's how that might look in your grade.
Hi, welcome to the 6 weeks. For this 6 weeks, you will have 2 units. You have Unit 8A, which is a copy over of Unit 7 from the 5th 6 weeks. And this unit is intended for students who did not meet state expectations on the first administration of STAR. Changes include the addition of Region 4 activities that can be found in the Engaging Mathematics books, which should be arriving on your campuses if they're not already there. The second unit in the 6 weeks is Unit 8B. This unit is designed for students who met state expectations on the first administration of STAR. This unit allows teachers to shore up gaps of their individual classes. The standards included but are not limited to the operational standards involving decimals and fractions. The lesson plan component of the learning plan contains multiple project options for students. The problem-solving spiral review, small group, and station sections house review activities for the aforementioned standards of the specificity. Shapely pairs and the logic of shapes can be found in the problem-solving section of the learning plan. For this task, students will create a hierarchy diagram as seen here. Students work through this task in pairs. They will need 2 sets of shapely pair cards, 1 set per person. Each player draws their first card and without looking at it, holds it to their forehead. Students then alternate asking yes and no questions about their shape in order to name it. Variations of the game can be found in the differentiation notes and technology extensions. The next task that we'll discuss for this unit is the Earth Day project. This task is located in the small group section of the learning plan. For this activity, students will analyze data about recycled can collection. They will identify and extend the pattern. Lastly, they will solve a problem using the pattern and graph the data collected and extended. The next task we'll be discussing is comparing MP3s. This task is located in the Stations section of the learning plan. For this problem situation, students are asked to apply their knowledge of multiplying fractions to assist Apple in developing an improved iPod to maintain the competitiveness between themselves and other companies' products. California, here we come. This task is located in the lesson plan section of the learning plan. For this project, students will be analyzing mileage, time, and cost to plan a trip from Ohio to California. Students will utilize calculation skills, data analysis on travel sites and flight information, and decision-making skills as they determine the most cost-effective means to make this trip.
Take this moment to relax. Just think, in a few months, you could be at the beach. Please click on the square, triangle, Circle link to complete this course. Congratulations!